Living life wouldn't mean that you have to do things right to have eternal life after death. Living life would mean that you have to live it the way you want it, the way you think is right. Ano ba ito sinasabi ko? Isa lang naman ang pinagmulan ng lahat ng ito eh. Siya lang. Then, why is God's definition of love so different from everyone else's? How can it be so different from mine? Eh, alam naman natin lahat na masarap lang talaga magmahal. See, everything about me, my whole body, my mind, my heart, my soul, my whole being points out to this person and tells me that what I feel is not a lie. How can that be so bad in the eyes of so many and in the eyes of God? I just don't get it. I was thinking maybe it would have been better and easier if it were somebody else. The thing is, it's not. Bakit kailangan siya? Bakit kailangan siya lang? I'm going to be completely honest and spare myself from being completely disillusioned. I just want one day kasama siya. Just one day. That is all. Nothing more, nothing less. I just want to be able to live that moment again.